Hi, I'm Gina. I'm another music teacher at CADS, and this is one of our favorite stories that we do during music time. It's Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. So if you have anything to shake along with, I would love it if we could shake together. Or you can clap your hands. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons, my buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Oh no, where are the buttons? Popped up and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Because 4 minus 1 is 3. Did Pete cry? Cause buttons come and buttons go. He kept singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Ooh. Oh no, another one! Popped up and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 1, 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! Cause buttons go! He kept singing his song. Anyone like this? My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Just 1. Because 2 minus 1 is 1. Did he cry? Goodness, no. Because buttons come and buttons go. He kept singing his song. My button, my 1 groovy button, my 1 groovy button. Oh no, the last one! Popped up and rolled away. How many buttons are left now? That's right, 0. Because 1 minus 1 is 0. Did he cry? Goodness, no! Because buttons come and buttons go. So Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt. And what do you think he saw? His belly button! And he kept singing his song. And how does his song go? That's right, my button, still have my belly button, my button, still have my belly button. Whew. Guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. Do we cry? Goodness, no! We keep on singing, 'cause buttons come and buttons go. The end. Thanks for singing with us, and I'll see you soon.